Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are installing a Coolerworx short shifter on the Mini. I'm super excited for this. Want it in by next weekend because I'm going racing. So we're going to start the install today. I'm super excited about this. Shortening the throw, raising the shifter. It's going to look really cool. So I'm really excited, so let's get started. So I'm trying to pull the center console out, just in case you guys are doing it, I thought you know. There's 3 little bolts, one in the top of the cup holder and then one on each side. To take that off to get to the back bolt of the center console. So I thought I'd show you guys that, so I'm just going to pull this out now. Then there's 2 more bolts, one here and then an identical one on the other side. So I'm just going to take those out. Okay, so still trying to take the center console out. The little armrest I thought was just clipped in, but after doing some research I found out that it was not just clipped in. So learn from me, there's 2 13mm bolts that need to come out in order to get the armrest out, and then there's just another little screw in here. So yeah, make your life easier, don't be like me. Okay, so next thing is to pull this piece out. It's really simple, just kind of get a screwdriver under there and pry up. Then there's another bolt in here to remove. Okay, so the last piece to this dash puzzle is, let's see if this makes sense. So you gotta pull this piece back. There's 2 bolts, one on each side. They're right in there. This piece just covers it a little bit, but it's super simple to just kind of like pull off with like a screwdriver or pry tool, and then you can get access to the screw, and there's an identical one on the other side. So just pull those out and then the dash should be, or the center console, my bad, should be coming out. So we just got the shifter cables detached, and then there's these little clips right here that need to be undone. They're on the top and the bottom. So it's going to be quite the pain getting them off, but we will see. So hopefully this goes smoothly. So I got the shifter cables unclipped here. I'm just going to pull it off. I'm gonna go like this, 1 and 2, and then okay. Alrighty, so we finished installing the shifter. It was just a couple bolts to replace, then hooking up the shifter cables. The toughest thing was definitely doing this little lockout, which really wasn't difficult at all. So what it does is it prevents you from going into reverse, which is really nice to have on the track, you know, just in case, you know, nobody likes to miss shifts. So it's pretty cool to pull that up and you get your reverse, which is awesome. I really like that. That's something I really enjoy. It's so notchy, which is really nice, especially when on the track. Just like, it feels so solid, and I'm really obsessed with it. I love the way it feels, I love the way it drives, I love the height. It's perfectly next to the wheel. It feels so quick. I love everything about it, to be honest. Yeah, so that's about all for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Easy. Easy. Why is he walking into me?